welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello. Today we are doing a house tour in Gran Via, one of the busiest, well, the busiest street in Madrid. I don't live here, one of my friends live here, so she's given me the greatest honour of filming the tour, just so that you can see what it's like to live in one of the most central places in Madrid for how much?
Well, it depends, each room is different. I pay $6.40.
Okay, so the room that I'm going to show you is $6.40 a month, and it's worth it because it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a pretty nice place to live.
And soon I will be having my own house tour coming within the next few weeks, and you can kind of compare the difference between living in, this is a shared apartment actually of 7 people, and I live with one other person, so you'll be able to see the differences. Also, you may have noticed that the quality of this video will be a little bit different, and that is because one of the guys who lives here has kindly offered to lend me his camera, which is actually a camera for properties. So I normally film on my iPhone, which is like 6 years old, so yeah, let's go. So we're starting in the lift. I think it's just got a really nice classic vintagey look to it because of the paneling, the wood, the buttons, and the way that you have to open and close the doors really reminds me of Harry Potter, and I just really like coming up and down this lift because it's so cool. It's pretty dark, but then you open this, my goodness, it makes so much noise. And here, et voila, the Harry Potter lift. Wow. So you can see a bit better here, but this is the whole staircase. It's quite, again, got a classic-y look. There are even stained glass windows on the other side of the lift, but it's a really grand staircase. So we have the entrance here, and on the right, we have the kitchen. So this kitchen is for, how many people live here, Mackenzie? 7 people live here, so I think this is fairly decently sized kitchen. Maybe not enough chairs, but they have like 3 fridges. Let's look inside one. Oh no, this is a big one. So there's plenty of space for food and whatnot. So as you can see, also we have like huge amounts of cupboard space, which is really cool. You have to push it to open. So like this whole thing, which is super tall. And then not only this, but they have like all of this cupboard space on top too, so it's plenty. If you go to the right, this is like a second entrance / exit with a lift down here, and then this is a courtyard view, and as you can see, they've got like places where you can dry your stuff on the what do you call these things, the lines. And then this is the lift that you can see here. That is right outside this door. Let's go back through the kitchen. And we have some bedrooms over here. And then this is like the literal highlight of the flat. This place is literally so beautiful. So much light, so much space for sitting down. Look how cute these, they've got these little plants. Home is all about the details, you know. One thing I do love about this is the grand columns in the living room too. And at night it's so cute when they have these little fairy lights on, super cute. So one of the guys that lives here has very kindly like shut all the curtains, and we're going to show you what more or less it looks like with the fairy lights on in the night time. Obviously it's not going to be the same as like Gran Via in the night time, which is beautiful, but maybe I'll see if I can get them to send me a video at night, and if they can, then I'll put it in here. And when it's sunny too. This place looks so beautiful, like sun, rain. Ooh, okay, let me show you. This is so cute. Thank you so much to hear. It's like magical. And if we just go outside, the view of Gran Via is insane. Gran Via is one of the most central streets within Madrid, and it's well known for its shopping. So the location is really ideal. Down here is more shops, and within this flat every single room has a balcony, and I'm about to show you one down here. But yeah, this place, I love this living room so much, and I don't know much about interior design, but come on, like, come on. This is amazing. Imagine having a coffee here, reading a book. So cool. This is my friend Mackenzie, her bedroom. She's allowing me to video her room, and look how nice this is. Like, this is like what you call a grown-up room, man. It's amazing. Like, she's got her nice big bed, lovely wardrobe. I love this. No drama, just coffee.
I got it from a cafe in Madrid actually years ago, like 5 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, I can't remember the name of it. I need to look on the back of it, but yeah.
Then can I go outside?
Yeah, of course.
So this is the balcony, or one of them that I was telling you about, on this side street. And this is a shared balcony. So the girl that lives here also shares the balcony. And then Gran Via is on this side. It's not the biggest balcony in the world, but you could probably fit a table and chair on there if you really wanted to. Ooh! Sorry. Oh, shit.
You can leave it open if you want, it's really warm, so I'm like dying.
Okay, so then let's take us you to.
Do you need the bathroom? I should have been like, hello MTV, welcome to my crib.
I'm gonna put this in here now. Okay, this is the bathroom. How many people do you share this bathroom with?
Currently 2, but usually 3.
Okay.
The other people all share with 2. So we got the unlucky straw, but it's the biggest bathroom. So.
It's the biggest bathroom, and you've got 2 shower heads, which is really nice.
Yeah.
And a slidable door.
And lots of products because we're girls, don't judge.
No, we can't judge. You're very efficient. Look at all of this, man. Then this leads to, I think, a courtyard view.
Yeah, that's like the courtyard where the washing line is and stuff.
So it's not really important, really.
No.
Okay, so I just showed you my friend's bathroom, but this is another guy's bathroom who lives here. It's pretty much the same, maybe a little bit smaller, but this one is for 2 people, whereas the one I literally just showed you was for 3 people. So that's the difference there. But this is probably one of my favourite flats that I've visited in Madrid. So I thought I would show you guys what it's like to live in the centre of Madrid as an example, and then I will show you my house soon so that you can compare, because it's actually pretty different. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.